Hey everyone, welcome back into our Tuesday night edition of Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz once again talking about the weather. And after we had a little light snowfall move through early this morning, skies cleared. It was a beautiful day. We're looking at more clouds and maybe even a little more snow in the forecast, but warmer temperatures too. We'll tell you about that in just a little bit. Our photograph night sent in by Gary Kahlberg in the Fox area. And we know this is a Photoshop area. This is right down here, but this is beautiful, realistic, actually real I should say, auroras and moon that he captured there, and that kind of matches up nicely with the picture. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos at ktvf11.com. And of course, we're looking for those Christmas photos. Now, as far as we're talking about photos, let's talk about our Fab Photo Calendar. Once again, we have some available at Personnel Plus, Ice Fog Vapor, 907 Organic in the big Teddy Bear Plaza, and Big Daddy's Barbecue, Graphic North, and the Prescription Center. All those still have some Fab Photo calendars available, and they're free. Okay, here's our numbers for today. 7 below currently. Our high day 2 below. The low last night 7 below. Record high was 33. That was in 1986. The record low 55 below in 1946. Our sunrise and sunset works out to about 3 hours and 49 minutes. And that is a loss of 2 minutes from yesterday. On our satellite and radar, again, you can see a lot of energy moving in from the southwest, and it's just kind of losing its identity as it moves across the interior, but still enough of this moisture should move in later on tonight to give us a little bit of light snow. The next storm system way down to the south, but that promises to bring warmer temperatures because it's coming out of the south. That's good news. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, over the southeast sections, Juneau is mainly cloudy, 35, 37 at Ketchikan, partly cloudy. Cloudy skies in Anchorage, 33. Little rain falling around Kodiak, rain and snow mixed, actually 31 degrees, 32 at Cold Bay. Cooling off a little bit from it was yesterday, in the 30s yesterday, for 25 at Nome today. Barrow 1 degree below zero, and Fort Yukon 1 above. A lot better than that 18 below they had yesterday. Over the lower 48, another storm system moving across the Pacific Northwest promised to bring more rain, more flooding potential, and the snow has been falling around the Denver area, 7 inches today, giving them an all-time record for the date of 7 inches. That's quite a bit of snowfall. The rest of the country looking pretty good, especially the eastern half of the country. Now, as far as snowfall, once again, you can see the snow is continuing to fall across much of the Intermountain region, including, well, like I said, Denver, Salt Lake City, and Billings, Montana. And the jet stream is helping that situation. Later on this week, it'll be moving things off to the east as the jet stream transitions off to the east across the Great Lakes, bringing cooler air there. Maybe some snow finally for Buffalo, New York. How about that? Time once again for our weather fact for tonight. And in 1988, Centerville, Utah, winds were gusting as high as a record-setting 105 miles per hour. And as you can imagine, there was a lot of extensive damage. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather each night. And as I said before, when they return from Christmas vacation January 5th, the kids from Salsha Elementary School will be our guests. Here's your forecast for the rest of Alaska. For the northern sections tomorrow, snow and fog for Barrow, snow showers in Nome, and isolated snow showers for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we're looking at not too bad. Partly cloudy skies by afternoon for Fairbanks and Healy. Just cloudy skies in Delta Junction. Over southeast Alaska, it looks like heavy rain, or rain is possibly actually moving out of the picture. Just cloudy skies in Juneau and cloudy skies for Ketchikan. They did have heavier rain earlier today. Tomorrow's forecast for the southwestern sections, rain and snow in Cold Bay, snow showers at Bethel with heavy rain for Kodiak. And over the south central regions, maybe partly cloudy skies in Anchorage, rain and snow at Homer, and just a chance of snow for Valdez. And our forecast for the remainder of the night, again, looking at temperatures to cool, and the air quality is a little better than it was last night. Fairbanks is still a stage 2 unhealthy, and North Pole at stage 1 and moderate, so they've improved considerably. This is through 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Our forecast, 1 degree below zero for the overnight low. A little snow developing later, maybe an inch possible. Tomorrow's forecast, cloudy early, then becoming partly cloudy by afternoon. And the 5-day outlook, as you can see, temperatures once again in the plus figures. Nice to see those rising to 10 degrees on several days there. The chances for snow are out of the picture after tonight, and then looking at overnight lows, still fairly chilly, but very nice for this time of year. Usually 13 below is our average, 5 below for the overnight low.